What's going on, Lean Squad? How you doing? Today we bring you another video of Squishmallow. Show them your shirt. Show them your shirt.
Look, guys, I got this new shirt that says Squish Squad, and
let's get to opening.
Yeah.
Rip it, rip it, rip it. There you go.
Okay.
Let's see what the box brings. Last time we got really nice cards.
Yeah,
let's see this time what we get. Oh, you see this? How many packs? It says mega pack. So it's supposed to bring more than 6. Let's see how many packs we got.
You got a pack.
All right.
You got a pack.
All right. Let's see how many packs we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What is that?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the regular pack brings only 6.
6, yeah.
This one brings 12. So let's do this. 3, 3, 3, and 3. And then we select from each one, and then we see what we get.
Yeah.
How about that?
I go first or you go?
You go first. You go first on this.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the middle one.
All right, you go into the middle one. And guys, I got my own Squishmallow. Ooh, it's called the banana. All right.
Okay, we got I don't know how to
Winston.
say. Winston.
We got Ricky.
Oh!
Hands. Oh, that's
It's not shiny, but it looks cool.
very cool. Very cool. Well, it has the shape. It has the shape.
Exactly.
Oh, you got Fernando.
And this is actually so cute.
That is nice.
And it also has numbers on the back of the card.
Okay.
So we could like
you
organize
start getting
it.
fired. Let me see what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna pick this one, guys. Let's see. All right. Let's do this. Okay. We got Archie. We got Maurice.
Pizza
Party. Legacy.
Didn't we get that?
And we got another Squish.
Matchy
Squish. There you go.
Let me go over here. Okay. Mila.
Henry. Treat yourself. Ooh, a hollow card. Wildlife Squad. Nice.
Text. Oh, that's it.
All right, I'll take this.
Oh, whatever.
Take this pack. Let's see. What kind of fire do I get? Celine. Cinnamon.
Alina.
Sam. And Fantasy Squad. Which one are you going with? Oh, you're gonna go. Okay. There you go. Let's see. Phyllis.
Squish up.
Wildlife Squad again. Okay. Phyllis again. Tatiana. Let's go with the middle. Okay.
And I'm gonna be opening.
Let's see what we have. Let's see what we get. Avery. Mo. Raina. Tank. Oh, he's a shark. And
Food Squad. I'm gonna join that squad.
I'm in the Food Squad.
Which one are you?
I love food. The fries. All right.
I've been aiming on that.
What?
I've been aiming on that one since you opened your pack.
Ooh, that flew away.
Okay.
Let's go.
Kenny.
That's Kenny. Carl. Ooh, let's rock. Rock and roll,
my dad
baby.
would be in this squad.
Rock and roll, baby.
Rocky. Got this.
Garden
This
Girl.
one is so cute.
That is very nice. 13. Number 13.
That is so cute.
I wonder how many we got of these.
Because our pile was like.
Okay.
That can go.
All right. Okay. We got Lola.
Wait, I have that on my shirt. I have Lola on my shirt.
Ooh, you do got Lola on your shirt. Very nice. Cool. Okay. Food Squad, Easter, Sydney, and Food Squad fries. And Noro.
I'm
Four
gonna go
options.
to the big. Oh,
Four
shit,
options.
that's just it. 3 options now.
3 options now? All right, let's go. There you go. You're becoming a pro. Wanda. Cam. You got Cam too? Oh, you do got Cam. Nice.
Johnny.
Joanna. Gregory. And Wade.
Squishmallows are on in that pack.
I'm going with this pack now.
I'm going in the middle.
I'm going with this pack. Okay.
Peter.
Perry.
I'm bad at reading names. Well, I know how to
Right.
read, but I'm bad at pronouncing names.
Kia.
Wait, I have that. I have that one.
Peterson?
No, I have this one.
In your shirt
No,
too?
not on my shirt. I have a Squishmallow.
Oh, okay.
Peterson.
Keely. Mm-hmm. Bong. Mully.
Mine.
See what we get. See what hits we get. Even though I don't know the hits. But the cards just look nice.
Ooh, Daddy, another shirt.
Okay, Gordon. Okay. Shamna.
What's
Mont.
wrong with his eyebrows?
Oh, he's a monster. Lucasta.
And
Samir.
Last.
The grand finale. The last pack.
Last pack, but not least.
The last pack. Okay. Let's open. Oof. Saw how slick that was?
How come we're getting
Text.
a lot of texts?
Because it's Cinco de Mayo, bro.
It just passed.
Yeah. But it's raining tacos. Noro. Wildlife Squad. Joyce. It's overjoyed. And Maggie. And that's all
For today.
Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Bye.